Hi, I'm Kay of Kay's Creative Home. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'd like to share with you some of the floral arrangements I'll be using in my spring decor. Let's get started. As many of you already know, I happen to be one of the people who have allergies, and so I don't often get to have live flowers in my home, but I do have plenty of silk flower arrangements because I do love flowers. So I'm going to share with you some of the ones I've made that I'll be using this spring, and in the coming days I will be sharing with you some more arrangements that I'll be putting together. So this first one, as many of you know, I moved approximately 4 months ago, mid-October, and this got packed up and it survived the move. This is an arrangement. You can see it's still in the foam. I just took it out of the pot so it can be packed. This is an arrangement I had on my front porch, and I'll insert some pictures. And it served its purpose. It did well. I liked it out front. Because my front porch now is such a neutral color, I'm not sure this yellow would really pop. But we'll see if I use it out front again or if I use it somewhere else. I love the fact that they're so tall so they can go in a large vase, and they could be used in the home too, so we'll see where these end up in my decor. This next one I want to share with you is an arrangement I did for my front door, and it made it through the move, but not quite. It did get crushed a little, so I'm gonna have to do some fluffing and shaping, and some of these pieces are just barely hanging on. They need to be inserted back in, but it's still kind of cute. It didn't get mashed up too bad, and as you can see, it's kind of it should hang like this, so it's kind of a little lopsided even now. But I'll go through and I'll fluff this up and arrange it, and because I'll be making a new wreath for my front door, this will probably go on the side door or on the back somewhere, but it will definitely be a part of my spring decor. It has some of my favorite colors. And again, I'll insert a link to the video where I actually put this together. And I believe when I put it together, it was in another container. I believe so, but this is still the same arrangement. This next arrangement was actually one of the first arrangements I ever did. I actually put this together in my class that I took for floral arrangements. And you can see it's pretty much the same on both sides all the way around. But it was pretty cute for one of my first ones. And it survived the move, and it will probably be placed on a coffee table because it's a lower height. It could definitely be used on a coffee table or side table, or even as a centerpiece. So let's wait and see where this one ends up. Next, I have this little arrangement that I put together, and found this basket. It was thrifted, and it's like a little purse. I thought it was supposed to be, and I decided to use it as a little basket for an arrangement. Cute, right? It is full of Dollar Tree berries and the little foam Dollar Tree Easter eggs, bunnies, butterflies, dragonflies, and even some carrots. See it at the top. So I had this on a little side table in my living room before, and again, we'll see where it ends up this year. This is one of my favorites, I think, because it's kind of playful. Next, I have this simple arrangement of yellow flowers and lilies, and I'm not sure I did this one as a video, but I will double check and see. Again, it is just Dollar Tree flowers, Dollar Tree berries, and then a little bit of ivy that I picked up thrifting. So I mixed that in there. So this probably has just 2 bunches of Dollar Tree flowers and 2 bunches of berries, because there's white and yellow. And for $4 or $5, this was a thrifted container. I don't know if you can see the shape of it. Thrifted container. The price isn't on the bottom anymore, but this is probably like a $5 or $6 arrangement. So it's not difficult to make something beautiful at a low cost. This one I made for a collaboration or challenge, and I believe I did. If not, I know I used it in a challenge. So I will definitely show you how I put this one together. Again, it was full of, it's got these spring flowers, and I put in my Dollar Tree, the foam butterflies and Easter eggs and berries again. Give it a nice little whimsy. So I love this vase. This was thrifted, and I don't know if you can see the scalloped edge around the top of the vase. It's nice and tall and slender. And if I can find a thrift haul that I got this in, I will link that too, so that you can see what I paid for, because I don't remember. But again, an easy way of doing a nice arrangement for your home at an economical price. Here's another arrangement I did, and I definitely have a video that I can link for this. Again, it's one that survived the move, but it's a little lopsided, so I have to shape this up. But it's different shades of pink tulips. These tulips, yes, different shades of pink tulips. It was so pretty. I love these different colors. These were from Michael's, and I think I got them when they were $1 for a bunch. And I believe this probably has about 5 or 6 bunches in it. Again, a thrifted pot. And the price is no longer on the bottom, but a simple thrifted pot with some florals, and you have a beautiful arrangement. And I've used this previously on my coffee table. Again, we'll see where it ends up this spring. What's funny is I know I have another box or container somewhere with some more florals in it, because I have a yellow rose arrangement that I haven't found yet. So I'll just keep looking. Got a lazy Susan so I can turn this. Oh. Okay, here's an arrangement I've had for a while. I actually had it at my church for a while. And I don't know if you remember these style pots. You see that? It's like a draped in fabric look, and those color schemes. Where it is? I guess that's from about the 90s or so, 80s maybe. And I just put together this arrangement of florals that look like it's kind of spilling out. And so I don't have, this was made before I started my YouTube channel. So I know I don't have this one on video, but, and this is the back. So I just added a little bit of white flowers in there, so that if you happen to see the back, you will see something. But this is one I usually display with the back to the wall, so that all you really see is this beautiful spill of flowers coming down the front. And so it survived the move. I'm really happy about that. And I think this year I'm going to keep the colors as they are. It may even, trying to talk with, you can't see me. Oh, let's see. Yeah, so it survived the move. I'm really happy about that. And I'm going to keep the colors as they are this year, because I'll be doing some blue and pinks in my cabana. And so I may put this one out there just like this in all of its glory, full and everything. I think it'll be a cute touch. So, yeah, I think that'll work. So, looking forward to see how it works out there. If I can show you the whole thing. There we go. It's heavy, so I can't hold it for long. Woo, okay. All right. I said, we'll see. I might use this a few more years, and then I'll probably take it and paint the bottom, make it something different. See what we come up with, all right? So that's just a collection of some of my flowers I'll be using in my decor this spring. I thank you for spending this time with me, and I'll be talking with you again real soon.